Oh my god, this is so good. You can even add a little vodka. But this is good by itself. And it made a lot. And I'm gonna drink it all. It's sugar-free. We're going to make the Chic-Fil-A lemon frosty. But we're gonna do something very special with this stevia sweetener. And all you need to do is just a couple drops of this in our drinks. A little bit goes a long way. Natrisweet has really done it, and I am super excited to make this with you all. What this recipe calls for is 1 cup of lemonade. If you don't have lemonade on hand, you can do a single packet of lemonade with a cup of water, a 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. For the Natrisweet Stevia, it says that we only need to do 1 drop per 2 ounces of liquid. We have a cup here and then a 1/4 cup. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna just start with 4 drops, and then we're gonna taste test it from there. And we cannot forget the 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. It needs to be sugar-free if you wanna keep it sugar-free. If you do not have sugar-free ice cream on hand, or you cannot find sugar-free ice cream, you can freeze 2 cups of Greek yogurt, and that will be just as yummy.
Go ahead and smash everything into the blender. I went ahead and added extra ice cubes in mine, but go with your heart.
The 4 drops was perfect, the stevia. But if you want it more sweeter, then knock yourself out. I looked online for a bunch of different drinks that you can make. If you want to make cocktails or put this in your coffee or smoothies, recipes, baking recipes, cookies, this stuff, a little goes a long way. So grab your Natrisweet Stevia sweetener. I hope that this review helps.